Welcome to Ignite Automotive. Today's video is to show you a little bit more about ourselves and the work we do. Things like the Nissan GTR and this McLaren. We work on a vast array of different vehicles. This video we're going to show off both sides of our workshops. In this unit is a bit more track preparation and engine build room. This unit is more our day-to-day work and our project work. So come along, we'll show you what we do and some of the cars which we've got inside. So in this workshop today, we have a few different vehicles in. I'm going to run through a few of them and explain what they're in for and a little bit of insight about them. So we have an E30 3 Series here. This one's actually in for some suspension upgrades. It's in for a few bushes. It's currently actually going to have some yellow speed coilovers that we actually supply. We can supply all sorts of different brands, Öhlins, yellow speed coilovers, teen suspension, all the way down to just lowering springs, H&R or IBAC lowering springs for a vast array of different vehicles. It's not solely BMW. Moving further on, we have a long-going project car over here, which is a Ford Sierra. It's a Ford Sierra XR4i. We've actually done an engine conversion on this, so it's not just upgrades, it's full engine conversions we do as well. So this has got a Honda S2000 engine in it with a precision turbo and a carbon Prattworks manifold. We've also put a Heltec ECU in it with our custom wiring looms. So this is quite a large ongoing build. Over on my left here is a 2020 Yaris GR. So this has actually currently got the engine out of it. The engine's out for quite a large build. It's having pistons, rods, head studs, large turbo kit. It's having Civex ECU. We actually use the Civex ECU with one of the UK's and the world's leading Civex mappers. So this is actually in for quite a lot of work. We do from older vehicles to newer vehicles. We're not just stuck on one vehicle and one age bracket. So along with the engine builds and the conversions, sometimes 99 pump fuel isn't adequate enough. So here at Ignite, we offer the whole range of Renegade race fuels, such as methanol, ethanol, and oxygenated race fuels. Now I'll show you the next door and we'll see what we have there. So welcome to this other unit. So in here, we have our full wheel laser alignment, which we use for general OEM specifications or even a fast road or track setup. We do a lot of track preparation for some race cars, so it's really a handy tool to have. On this ramp is more of our long-term ongoing engine build and gearbox build ramp. So if a car's in for a long period, we'll put it onto this ramp, we'll take the engine or gearbox out because the engine room's just behind me. So the cars here, we don't like getting them out and in so many times, so they tend to stay here dedicated for this one purpose. If you want to come on through, I'll show you into the engine room. So come on in. So in our engine room, it's a nice clean environment for all sorts of different things as you can see around the room. So we'll start on one side and work our way around. So we have our GR6 gearbox here in separated bits. This is a common gearbox we have in. We do all the work in-house on this. So we are having upgraded clutch kits, we're having upgraded gear sets and full strip down and clean of everything inside it, including both mechatronics. Again, 90% of the work on the engines is done in-house, depending on if it needs machining at a machine shop. Moving on here, we have the Yaris engine I was speaking to you about earlier. So this is actually fully stripped down now. It's actually being ready to be rebuilt. The customer's looking to go with a fully forged engine on this and potentially a VAG platform DSG gearbox. So that's a very interesting build to happen. Following round, we have more GR6 gearboxes in bits, but that's just a normal service repair. It's not actually being upgraded. A little bit further on, we actually have a full top to bottom engine build going on here. So it's having brand new crank, new pistons, rods, heads have all been reworked. It's having cams, valve springs. We'll be seeing around 1100 wheel horsepower from this. It's just kind of our entry level engine build. As you can see, we have a lot of items in pieces at the moment, but every engine is cared for and we produce nice vehicles. So along with all car services as well, we offer a nice waiting area in here. So the waiting area here, we have a TV, you can watch our YouTube channel. We have available Wi-Fi so you can work if you need to, and we have teas and coffees. So this is all available as well, free of charge with any customer vehicle. Along with all the vehicle services we offer, we also offer vehicle storage, vehicle collection and deliveries, and vehicle detailing. So our detailing goes from a general service wash all the way to ceramic coating. So if any of this interests you and you want to get your car booked in, phone us, email us, pop on our Instagram, or even jump on the website. All of our details will be below and hope to see you soon.